Hello friends, this is Hannah Home Decor. I hope you're enjoying the content and you're in good health. I pray for your good health and happiness. I'm sure you're liking the content which I'm uploading. So before moving forward, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Your support is crucial for a little channel like mine. So today I am bringing you the idea of some amazing embroidered pieces of art for your wall decor. We tried to collect a number of ideas so you can have beautiful, amazing and practical pieces of art for your home decor. You can do them yourself if you want, or you can customize them. This video contains various flowering plants patterns. The color combination, the choice of threads and its colors is amazing. The major part of this video contains ideas of flowers and sceneries. Natural sceneries where you can see some birds, plants, jungle, scenic views of homes. You can use the collage of these embroidered pieces to decorate your wall, and definitely it's a classic way to give a beautiful and artistic touch to your wall. It's going to be different from other type of frames, photo frames or walls, and it definitely has more weightage because there are scenes captured on your fabric. The colors chosen are just amazing. They are just bringing the jungle to your home. These sceneries show universe in vibrant and beautiful colors. If you're an art lover and you have interest in embroidery, you can thread some amazing pieces from them and make them a beautiful part of your wall. A lot of these pictures are just moments captured, like these bees taking nectar from the flowers, beautiful bunches of flowers with birds, wreaths of flowers. Amazing and beautiful messages can too be drawn on these fabric pieces with embroidery. The color choices definitely matter a lot. You can create a look of water, sky, jungle, or any scenery, even Christmas look, Halloween, or autumn. It's all about the choice of colors. Beautiful sceneries can be created with using contrasting shades of threads. This art can also be used to alleviate your depression. You can use colors to relieve yourself and to make yourself happy. These colors bring beauty and charm in your environment and makes a house a cozy, beautiful, amazing home. I hope you like this content, and this amazing content is about moments, art, beauty, and the coziness of your home. So please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so in future too I can keep on bringing these ideas for you. Your support is crucial for a little channel like this. Thank you so very much.